Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Fusion Channel. Today, I will tell you a beautiful Christmas story. This story will help you learn English and learn life values. So please listen carefully and speak with me. Long, long ago, in a small town called Bethlehem, there lived many poor people. One night, something special happened. A baby was born. That baby was Jesus Christ. The baby was Jesus Christ. Jesus was not born in a big hospital. He was not born in a palace. He was born in a small stable. A stable is a place where animals live. There were cows, sheep, and hay. But still, that place was full of peace. Jesus was born in a small stable. That night, a bright star appeared in the sky. People looked up and felt hope. Angels said, "Do not be afraid. This baby will teach love. This baby will teach kindness." Love and kindness are important. Poor shepherds came first. They had no money, but they had good hearts. They smiled and prayed. Wise men also came. They brought gifts, but the best gift was love. Love is the best gift. As Jesus grew up, he helped people. He healed the sick. He fed the hungry. He spoke softly. He never hated anyone. Jesus taught us, love everyone. Forgive others. Help the poor. Be humble. I choose love over hate. Today, we celebrate Christmas by decorating trees, by lighting candles, by sharing gifts. But real Christmas is helping someone, smiling at someone, forgiving someone. Real Christmas is kindness. Just like Jesus started from a small place, you can also start small. You don't need perfect English. You need practice. I am learning English step by step. On this Christmas, promise yourself to be kind, to speak English daily, to believe in yourself. Merry Christmas from Mr. English Fusion Channel.